Hi there guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be making some cornmeal porridge. Hope you enjoy. So the ingredients you're going to need is some water, coconut milk, cornmeal, oats, condensed milk, caster sugar, nutmeg, cinnamon, vanilla and some sea salt. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Now let's get started. The first step is to add the water into the pan and leave to boil. Whilst that is boiling, the next step is to add the oats into the bowl. Add the cornmeal. Then you're going to mix the ingredients until they're fully blended together. Add half the coconut milk into the bowl. Then you're going to mix the ingredients in the bowl again. Then you're going to add the remaining milk. Keep stirring until it is smooth and all the big lumps have been mixed into the porridge. Now you're going to add the condensed milk. Mix the ingredients together. Make sure all the large lumps have been fully blended. Once this has been done, the water in the pan should be ready. The next step is to turn the heat down in the pan. Add the cornmeal mix into the pan. Start by stirring the cornmeal in the pan until it thickens. The key when making cornmeal porridge is to keep stirring constantly throughout the whole process. When the porridge is thick, it's now ready for the remaining ingredients. Add the nutmeg, cinnamon, sea salt, vanilla extract, and the caster sugar. Stir all the ingredients together. Keep stirring until it is smooth and all the big lumps have been mixed into the porridge. The porridge should have a similar texture to custard. Now your cornmeal porridge is ready to serve. Now your food is ready to eat. This porridge is traditionally served on its own with some crackers on the side. Or you can have it with some fruit. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you very soon.